A very good evening to one and all. Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS faculty. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the objectives of organization behavior. So, the main objective of organization behavior are to improve the employee performance, foster job satisfaction, enhance understanding of employee behavior, and develop a effective leadership and teamwork. These objectives aims to create a very good, harmonious, and efficient workplace by understanding and influencing the human interactions and have a better achieved business goals and organization effectiveness. So for any organization or any workplace, the mutual understanding and like it depends upon the employee performance. So it helps to enhance the employee performance, like organization behavior studies the identifies how this can be done with the help of the main purpose of these factors. Studies identifies factors that motivates employee to perform better. So it helps to developing a strategy to improve the employee engagement and motivate, including the recognition, rewards, career developments, and other kind of opportunities. These are all the one of the motivational factors which helps the employee to work and show interest, feel job satisfaction towards their work. So it helps to enhance the employee performance. So the foster the job satisfactions, understanding the employee needs preferences can leads to increase the job satisfactions. So a positive and satisfying work environment contributes the high employee moral and retentions. So when we feel very comfort and when we feel it's the environment is good, so we definitely we show our interest to work and continue in the same place. So that's most important for the retention, job retention of the any employee. So the frequent changes of their jobs will also not give a much good impression towards the employee. So we have to make sure that, and we can make our environment very pleasant when having a good relation with our colleagues, with our subordinates, with our superiors. So, understanding the employee behavior, organization behavior helps the managers to understand why the employee behaves and why they behave like this. So, allowing for more effective management practices. So, this knowledge is very crucial for making and understanding the others mindset. So depends upon the decisions about the staffs, giving the training and giving monetary benefits, other kind of benefits and training and development will all supports to develop a good environment surroundings. Developing effective leadership and teams will also a supporting factor for building a good relation. So organization behavior studies the leadership styles and their impact on the team performance. So it provides the tools for developing effective leaders and fostering the collaboration within a team members, like improving the communication, and it reduces the conflicts between the employees. Effective communication channels are the essential for the smooth running of the organization. Any organization, their smooth running can be helpful for when they have the effective communications with one to another. Organization behavior helps to identify the make sure the identifying, resolving the conflicts, and constructively fostering a more positive and productive work environment. So apart from this, enhancing the organization culture. Organization behavior plays a key role in shaping a culture of an organization. Understanding the values, benefits, and behavior of the organization can help to create a more positive and productive work environment, like promoting the Change management. Organization behavior helps the organization negative changes can be reduced effectively, ensuring the employee understand the adopt the new policies and procedures. So even though the policies are new, and we should make them to understand, and we can explain them what is a realistic about the this new policies and how it helps the organization as well as their own development. So if we make them to understand, definitely they will understand, they will show interest towards working towards their organization. So these are the some main points why the organization behavior is important. These are the some objectives of the organization behavior. And thank you for giving the opportunity.